Health Canada is responding to the U.S. Food and Drug Administration's plan to import select Canadian drugs. CTV's Scott Hurst is following this story for us this morning. Scott, good morning. So what is Health Canada's response to the FDA decision?
Good morning, Jen. Well, first and foremost, the U.S. has a large population, so it is a massive market in comparison to Canada. And Americans pay significantly more than most other countries per capita for prescription drugs. And so the plan by Florida to import drugs from Canada to help lower costs down there has really caught the ire of experts here in Canada and also Health Canada as well, criticizing this plan in a statement saying bulk importation is not an effective solution to the problem of high drug prices in the U.S., but it is a significant problem for our friends south of the border. Drug prices are a very real headache. U.S. drug prices on average, according to the International Prescription Drug Price Comparison, compared to Canada, are 218% higher than in the U.S. And so the state of Florida passing this plan hopes to save about $180 million annually once it is up and running, but it is causing a lot of concern north of the border here in Canada, Jen.
Yeah, and that concern boils down to, the current condition of our drug supply. What is it like right now? And what are the major concerns of this FDA decision? The
big concern is the already fragile prescription drug supply on our side of the border, and the drugs that are meant to go for Canadians potentially being siphoned off to Americans when we don't have a very large population, meaning we don't have a massive market like the U.S. And Canadians trying to access crucial medication may find it harder to fill prescriptions. But experts warn there's no immediate threat from this Florida ruling. It's going to take a lot of time to get up to speed. And there are rules and regulations in place from Health Canada which may nullify the massive impact of this plan. So experts are saying, though, Canadians have been dealing with significant shortages, particularly over the last decade. And so any drugs going not to our market, going to another market, could continue to make that worse. So in response, the government of Canada is saying it's taking all necessary action to safeguard our drug supply and stands ready to take immediate action, Jen.
Okay, CTV National's Scott Hurst reporting live for us this morning. Appreciate it, Scott.
Thanks, Jen.